I made a Curse Tetris game where you can play some challenges, and now I'm trying to make a randomizer for it that will change up the rules as you play to make for a more interesting and cursed experience. I currently only have the directions randomizer, which is relatively simple and uncursed. It just switches between having to clear lines horizontally and vertically. Let me show you. So now I have to clear 4 lines horizontally, which is as expected. And now I have to clear vertically by stacking up the pieces. Like that. And now again I have to clear horizontally, which is a bit trickier. And now it's back to vertical. Okay, maybe it is a little cursed, but I think it can get even curseder. By the way, the game uses a new font now. This was made by me and I call it Cursefont, of course. I'll still iterate on it, but for now it looks like this. I hope you like it, I think it fits the game. The next randomizer I thought of would be one where it switches between what kind of pieces you get. The game already treats some pieces as easy and others hard, so it shouldn't be easy or hard. But the game already treats some pieces as easy and other pieces hard, so it should be pretty simple to add this. And there are of course the cursed pieces, but I'm not sure how to add those into this yet. Okay, so basically this was it, as well as this. So while the directions randomizer just switches between the basic and the vertical challenge, which is this one and this one, this easy and hard challenge will switch between these two. And the easy pieces only just turns off the hard pieces and the cursed pieces. And the hard pieces turns off the easy pieces and the... What? And the easy pieces only just turns off the hard pieces and the cursed pieces, and the hard pieces turns off the easy pieces and the cursed pieces. But the logic behind these were already made, so I just had to make these lines and it was done. And now it's here. Let's try it out. So now I'm only getting the hard pieces, which are these two and the O piece. Yeah, this one. I have to clear 3 lines and then it would switch to the easy pieces. Yeah, now I'm getting the other pieces. Okay, after playing this game mode for a bit too long, I kind of feel like it should be more random of what kind of pieces you can get. Even though I will definitely die here. Because yeah, right now it's only either the hard or easy pieces. For that I will need to change these, but it should still be relatively simple. Okay, now I made it so I can whitelist pieces by their numbers and it works pretty well. But it's hard to display what kind of pieces you can get now, especially since curse pieces could also be part of it. So I was thinking maybe I could add the pieces as symbols in the font. And I would just use this private use area where I could put whatever I want to. I already put some extra curse, capital and lowercase letters in it. I guess at that point they're just case letters. But here after the Z I could just add the pieces in order. So I just need to make some squares and that should work out. I'm gonna speed up this part. Okay, here's a 4x4 grid of squares. And if I just wanna make a piece, I could just delete the squares that I don't need like this. So here's the S piece, for example. But it needs to be bigger than this, because currently it's really tiny. So I'm just gonna scale it up, hopefully. Okay, I managed to scale them up. This is how it looks next to the letters. It's hard to spell square. Wait, no, this is too high up. This is how it looks next to the letters. It's hard to square. And now I just need to carve out all of the pieces. So I need to copy and paste this like 56 times, I think. Okay, no, it's only 36, but still. I'm gonna speed up this part as well. Actually, the last two are special pieces, so I don't need them here. So yeah, this is how all of them look. I'm still gonna change like these to actually be in the center. But after that we can see how it will look in action. Okay, I did it. As you can see, it shows you what kind of pieces you can get. I played around a bit with this game mode, and this is really cursed. Probably the most cursed game mode so far. Mainly because the cursed pieces are really abundant. Currently there are 6 piece sets you can get pieces from. And once you cycle through all of them, you just reset the cycle. But it is random which ones you get. But you will get all of them. That's how the other randomizers work as well. And as you can see up top, there's a level counter. So now if I clear a level, if I can do it, this is a hard piece. If I clear this level, I go up to level 2. And the speed increases and the randomizer also resets. So while in the challenges you can select the speed you want to start with, in the randomizer you select which level you want to start at. And for now, I think these two randomizers are enough. I really want to make videos more frequently, so I'm just gonna leave it at this. I still have to ask the wizard to come up with lines they could say in these situations. Oh, and also I need to add the scroll bar to this menu because now you can see what the 1.0 release did. But aside from that, I think the 1.3 release is done. For the next one, I would like to add a better solver because currently it's not very good. As you can see, it tops out pretty early. And it could do better if it wanted to, I guess. Think!